Welcome to Easy English. Today, we'll learn important English phrases for traveling. I'll teach you what to say at the airport, in a hotel, and when taking a taxi. Listen carefully and repeat after me. These phrases will help you travel with confidence. Let's start at the airport. When I arrive at the airport, I go to the check-in counter. I say, "Hello, I'd like to check in, please." Repeat after me. I'd like to check in, please. Good. The staff will ask for my passport and ticket. They might say, "May I see your passport?" I answer, "Here you are." Let's practice. Here you are. This is a polite way to give something to someone. At the check-in counter, I often ask, "Can I have a window seat, please?" Say it with me. Can I have a window seat, please? If you prefer sitting near the corridor, you say, "Can I have an aisle seat, please?" Let's repeat. Can I have an aisle seat, please? Perfect. Sometimes I need to ask about my luggage. I say, "How much luggage can I take?" Repeat. How much luggage can I take? If my bag is heavy, I might ask, "Is my luggage overweight?" Practice with me. Is my luggage overweight? The staff will tell you if you need to pay extra. At security, the officer might say, "Please put your bag on the belt." You simply follow their instructions. If they ask, "Do you have any liquids?" you can answer, "Yes, I have a water bottle," or "No, I don't have any liquids." Let's practice. No, I don't have any liquids. Very good. When I can't find my gate, I ask, "Excuse me, where is gate B5? Repeat after me. Excuse me, where is gate B5? Someone will help you. They might say, "Go straight and turn left." You can say, "Thank you very much." Practice. Thank you very much. Always be polite when asking for help. If I'm hungry at the airport, I look for restaurants. I ask, "Where can I buy food?" Say it slowly. Where can I buy food? Or I might ask, "Is there a coffee shop nearby?" Repeat. Is there a coffee shop nearby? These are useful questions when you need something. Now let's move to the hotel. When I arrive at a hotel, I go to reception. I say, "Hello, I have a reservation." Repeat. I have a reservation. The receptionist will ask, "What's your name?" I answer, "My name is," and I spell it if necessary. Let's practice. My name is. Can I spell it for you? Good job. At the hotel, I might need to ask questions. What time is breakfast is very important. Say it with me. What time is breakfast? The answer helps you plan your morning. I also ask, what time is checkout? Repeat. What time is checkout? Usually, it's before noon. If I have problems in my room, I call reception. I say, "Hello, I'm in room 205. The air conditioning isn't working." Let's practice. The air conditioning isn't working. Or maybe the television doesn't work. Repeat. The television doesn't work. The hotel will send someone to help. Sometimes I need extra things. I call and say, "Could I have extra towels, please?" Practice with me. Could I have extra towels, please? Or, could I have another pillow, please? Say it slowly. Could I have another pillow, please? The word could makes your request very polite. When I need the internet, I ask, "What's the Wi-Fi password?" This is important. Repeat. What's the Wi-Fi password? They will give you the information. You can also ask, "Is the Wi-Fi free?" Let's say it together. Is the Wi-Fi free? Most hotels have free Wi-Fi now. Before leaving the hotel, I go to reception and say, "I'd like to check out, please." Repeat. I'd like to check out, please. They might ask, "How was your stay?" You can answer, "It was very nice, thank you." Practice. It was very nice, thank you. This is polite and friendly. Now let's learn about taking a taxi. When I need a taxi, I raise my hand or go to a taxi stand. When the taxi stops, I say, "Hello, I need to go to the airport, please." Repeat after me. I need to go to the airport, please. Always say please to be polite. Before getting in, I sometimes ask, "How much will it cost?" Say it with me. How much will it cost? This helps you know the price before you go. The driver might say, "About $20. You can then decide if you want to take that taxi. During the ride, the driver might ask, "Which terminal?" if you're going to the airport. You answer, "Terminal 2, please," or "International Terminal, please." Let's practice. International Terminal, please. If you don't know, you can say, "I'm not sure. Let me check." Repeat. "I'm not sure. Let me check." If the driver is going the wrong way, I say, "Excuse me, I think you're going the wrong way." Practice carefully. I think you're going the wrong way. Stay calm and polite. The driver will check and correct the route. When we arrive, the driver says the price. If it's $30, he says, "That's $30, please." I give him the money and say, "Here you are. Keep the change." Repeat. Keep the change. This means he can keep the extra money as a tip. If I need a receipt, I ask, "Could I have a receipt, please?" Say it with me. Could I have a receipt, please? This is important for business travel. The driver will give you a paper with the price and details. Sometimes I take a taxi from the hotel. I ask the receptionist, "Could you call a taxi for me, please?" Repeat. Could you call a taxi for me, please? They will help you. You can also ask, "How long will it take?" Practice. How long will it take? They'll tell you when the taxi will arrive. Remember these important phrases for any situation. If you don't understand something, say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?" Let's practice. "Sorry, could you repeat that?" Or you can say, "Could you speak more slowly, please?" Repeat. Could you speak more slowly, please? people will be happy to help you. Wonderful! You've learned many useful phrases today. Practice these sentences before your next trip, and you'll feel more confident speaking English. Remember, it's okay to speak slowly and clearly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel English lessons. Keep practicing and have a great journey.